Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, your account credentials and phone ready with the Microsoft Authenticator app installed. Open the app and choose Add Account, pick work or school account or personal. Once done, allow camera access so you can scan a QR code from your computer or enter a code manually. Make sure phone time is set to automatic so codes sync correctly. This first step gets you into the verification flow, where the app and your account start communicating. You now link your account. On a computer, sign into your account portal and navigate to security info or multi-factor authentication settings. Choose to add an Authenticator app, then display the QR code. On your phone, tap Scan a QR code and point the camera at the screen. If scanning fails, select Enter Code instead and type the provided secret. Once the app shows a one-time code, enter it back on the computer to verify. This step binds your device and authorizes future second-factor checks. You finish by making the Authenticator your default MFA method and turning on push notifications for quick approvals. Also enable cloud backup inside the app so you can recover accounts if you change phones. Once complete, test a sign-in to confirm push prompts or generated codes work. If something goes wrong, like codes not matching, make sure your phone's time is set to automatic and retry. If problems persist, remove and re-add the account or contact your administrator for a reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.